Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets. First we use the color of black. Kids, now we draw the letter of A. A for apple, A for ant. And now we draw the letter of B. B for ball, B for bat. Kids, now we draw C. The letter of C. C for cow. Now we draw the letter of D. D for dog. Kids, subscribe to our channel. The next one is E. E for elephant. And the next one is F. F for fish. Now we draw G. G for gorilla. Kids, the next one is H. H for hand. And the last one is I. The letter of I. I for eyes. Kids, now we coloring alphabet. Blue color, red color, black color, yellow color, and the last one is green color. Kids, first we use the color of blue. And now we draw the letter of A. A for apple, A for ant. Kids, the next one is B. We again use blue color. Now we draw the letter of B. The next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. C for cow, C for cat. The next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids, now we draw the letter of E and use red color. The color of red. Now we draw the letter of E. E for egg. Kids, the next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. Now we draw G. G for goat. Kids, subscribe to our channel. The next one is H. H for hand. And the last one is I. Now we draw the letter of I. I for eyes. Today we draw capital letter alphabets. Thank you so much for watching.